Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from SeanKBeauty. Today we're going into a full face using Chantecaille products. I'm going to show you how to prep the skin and some of the skincare benefits. As you all know, I bring science to beauty, and we're going to do a makeup tutorial step by step. And this is a party night look using all Chantecaille. I'm going to do my hair. We're going to put an outfit together. It's just going to be an amazing night. So grab your beverage of choice. I've got my sparkling water. Listen to some really great music, burn a candle, grab out your Chantecaille products and your makeup brushes, and let's do this together. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic. Lookfantastic is a British beauty brand. They were established in 1996, and they're making their way to the US, and they have graciously given me a discount code for all of my subscribers to use to get 15% off all of Chantecaille's products. So I'm leaving the code down below in the description section. So let's go over to la salle de bain, which is the bathroom, prep our skin, get ourselves looking glam. Then we're gonna come back out into the beauty room and put our makeup on, throw on our outfit. We are just going to look all the way sophisticated, classy, and glamorous. So let's get started. Okay, so first up is the Blue Light Protection Hyaluronic Serum. As you all know about hyaluronic acid, it holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, brings that moisture onto the skin, plumps it up, gives it a long-lasting, hydrated look. What I love about Chantecaille, though, is that in addition to the hyaluronic acid, they're also giving us a tamarind extract and an alga extract that also helps to smooth the skin's appearance and reduce the look of marionette lines. And that tamarind extract is pretty much improving the hydration as well, just like your hyaluronic acid. So as you can see, Sylvie Chantecaille, the Chantecaille family, is giving us a lot of high quality pure botanicals in this particular product. And that's why I really love this line. All right, friends, so first up, we're gonna start with the Chantecaille Future Skin. This one is in carob. My suntan is somewhere around here. I'm probably gonna have to grab that at some point. This is an oil-free formula. It's more gel-like in its consistency. I really love this because you can get to the bottom of this really easily with your brush. So I'm just going to, I'm not gonna stick my fingers in here because I don't wanna contaminate product. I'm just gonna stick my brush in here that I always use alcohol to disinfect my brushes. And I'm gonna put a few dabs on the skin. And we're just gonna blend this in from the center of the face outward. So as you can see, it almost matches my skin beautifully. I have been getting a tan lately though, I won't lie, friends. But we wanna make sure too that we take this down the neck. So even if you're a beginner, you can do this with me, even though it's full on glam. And what I love about this foundation is that it's buildable. So you can go with a very light layer, or you can build this up to your desired coverage. So I'm just tapping that in. I love to use a brush to tap on foundations like this because it really does give me an airbrush look. Of course, you can use a beauty blender as well. Blend everything in nicely. I did my brows off camera, so forgive me. And just make sure that you get everywhere, friends. And you know, I am a huge proponent of using products as much as you can in a line because they work synergistically well together. And that's what I really love about Chantecaille is that even though they started off doing skincare, what they've managed to do is roll skincare over into cosmetics, which most brands don't do. A lot of celebrities really love Chantecaille, especially too because they know that they're locking arms with a really great company that does a lot of philanthropic endeavors to bring about conservations of animals and their 20-year-long commitment to environmental philanthropy. Sylvie is all about gardening, and her gardening has led her to discover the crisis of disappearing monarch butterflies and the creation of their first philanthropy partnership. Since then, their philanthropy collections have helped raise awareness for endangered sea turtles, coral reefs, gorillas, wolves, bees, elephants, giraffes, horses, and so much more. And that's why I really love it, because they're proud to give a voice to the urgent environmental causes that need it. And that's really important. And it's great for us to lock arms with companies that actually, have really great codes of ethics. All right, friends, next up is Real Skin. We're gonna use this under the eyes. What I love about this is it's great for spot treating or lightening up under the eyes, or even carving out your eyebrows. So I carved out my eyebrows with this one. It is shade number 9. I also have shade number 10. And I'm just gonna take this under my eye area. This is infused with raspberry stem cell extract, and there's also hibiscus extract. Hibiscus is just really great because it has AHAs in it. It's also one that prevents degradation of collagen and elastin. So again, a lot of really great skincare benefits that are coming with the Chantecaille cosmetics. And my skin already looks like it's glowing. I mean, it looks so healthy. And I have to say that this is very much a beautiful coverage. So if you just need to spot treat, if you are on a day when you don't want to wear foundation and you just want to wear real skin, like to spot treat. I know my sister, she doesn't really care for foundation, but she'll wear this under her eyes just to get rid of any dark spots. And this is super duper lightweight, as well as the foundation, so it doesn't feel like it's weighing down your face. So I really, really love that. So I'm just making sure that I'm distributing this evenly. All right, let's get into eyes. I'm going in with the Luster Glide Silk Infused Eyeliner in the shade Amethyst. This is inspired by the Fortuny Silks. It is so smooth going on, friends. And this formula is also going to give you a shine to it. It is made in Germany, and as you can see, it's a beautiful purple shade. And this is transfer proof. It's long wearing, gives excellent payoff, and it's versatile, and you all know I love versatile products. It can double as an eyeliner or an eyeshadow. And what I saw Janelle from Chantecaille do in the Lookfantastic Chantecaille Zoom call that they had us on was she did somewhat of a wing liner look, and then she went into her waterline. So I'm going to do that too. And to get a nice, beautiful glam look, using this as an eyeshadow, especially if you don't really know how to use your brushes yet, or if you have issues with, sometimes the pigment getting into the transition area, using a pencil like this is really going to help you have more precision. And because I want more precision is why I'm using this as opposed to an eyeshadow. I'm also taking this underneath my waterline. And like I said, I saw Janelle smoky it out. So I'm going to smoky it out too, and I don't have to use a brush. I can actually do that with this Luster Glide because it's super duper soft. But purple looks beautiful with brown eyes. I am feeling it, okay? I had to do a happy dance. There is nothing like quality products, my friends. So I'm going into the shade Zebra. This is a beautiful rose gold shade. It was one of the latest launched from Chantecaille's line. And Alex Chantecaille said that the foliage actually represent or is symbolic of, really preserving the animals, keeping them in their natural habitat. Okay, I'm going to wet my Scott Barnes number 63 brush with the Chantecaille Rose Water that I have in a traveling size bottle. I'm stamping that Zebra shade, concentrating it right on the lid to meet that purple amethyst shade. And I am in love with both these as, like a combo. But because I want more payoff, I'm going to use my fingers, and that is the payoff that I'm looking for. Now it's really showing itself on my skin tone. And I really love this. I'm also going to take a little bit of this into my inner corner as well, just to open up the eyes, because that's what a lighter shade tends to do. It will open up the eyes. Using your fingers is absolutely great because the natural oils from your finger and the warmth from your finger really does pick up more pigment and lay it down beautifully. So that's why I really love it. And of course, as you see, I'm just placing it in the inner corner of my eye here, just to open it up just a little bit. And then anything that's, you know, falling, I just clean it up at the end. All right, friends, we're gonna go into the Philanthropy Cheek Shade in Horse. It comes in this pebble compact that is refillable. There's a hole at the back that you can just take it out. And look how beautiful that horse is embossed in there. I'm gonna use a tightly packed brush and spray it with some of the Chantecaille rose water to give me the most payoff. And what I really love about this philanthropic endeavor, because I do love horses, this is preserving parkland for wild horses so that they can roam free. And I just really love Chantecaille's heart for animals. And you can help by supporting the American Wild Horse campaign by purchasing this blush, especially if it's going to look really great on your skin tone. But look at this, friends. And of course, I'm laying down pigment, but I'm going to diffuse this out with a more fluffy brush. But I just wanted to get that pigment onto the cheeks first with a densely packed brush, which picks up more product. And then I'm going in right now with my Lancome face and cheek brush. So that's going to diffuse it. You want to go from cheekbones to the ear. All right, so we are going in with the Faux Longest Lash Mascara. This has the newest lash peptide technology to help to grow your lashes. Alex said if you used it for like 3 weeks in a row every single day that you would actually see your lashes grow. And I really love this. It's non-clumping. It really does give volume and stretch. And I think it's due to that double helix brush. I know Angela from Chantecaille also mentioned about, zhuzhing it from the root all the way up to really define and feather out your lashes. And I really love this. This also has a special combination of natural waxes. And, if you are experiencing like irritation when using mascara, you won't experience it with this one. This also contains rose oil in here, so it's really conditioning to the eyelashes as well. All right, beautiful friends, we are going in with the lip veil, and this is supporting the Space for Giants. This is the part of the permanent collection, and what I really love about this is that it is enriched with baobab oil. It's certified by Fair Wild. That leaves a luminous veil of pure hydrating color, and this is Rock Rose. That's the color that I'll be using. And what I really love about this particular line is that when you purchase this lipstick, you're actually helping to preserve the elephants. There's only 4% of the elephant population that is still alive. And really, Space for Giants and their work is to preserve the migration path for elephants in Africa and help them, thrive for future generations. So again, the heart of Chantecaille is just, it's just hair raising, just so inspiring to know that they care this much about animals and about the planet. And that's why I really love pushing their products, not just because of their heart for philanthropy, but also because I see the results with using their skincare. And look at my face. I feel so beautiful. I'm going in with Real Skin in the shade number 9, just to, clean up any overlining that I did with the lipstick, and then I'm going to blend it out with my foundation brush. But yes, friends, I am feeling very glamorous, and I'm going to put on some lashes because you all know that I do love falsies. So Just blending this out, and then I'm going to show you all the outfit, and I'm going to do my hair, and you get to see how everything comes together. All right, friends, I would forever say that I'm not the #1 hairstylist. I try not to use heat in my hair a lot, especially with it having this color in here. And the flat iron is damaging the ends of my hair. But I just use a brush and I send my hair backwards. I love to use rollers in my hair, but because I don't have rollers, I'm just using a brush. Just kind of give it a little bit of, you know, like a curl, and then I bump it a little bit. You don't want to add a lot of heat if you can avoid it. And I love to go to the dry bar and let them do a blow dry, but. So a huge thank you to Lookfantastic for sponsoring this video. We welcome you to the US with open arms. And to Chantecaille for allowing me to be a part of this wonderful campaign. I look forward to corresponding with you all down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and make sure you take advantage of the code that I'm leaving down below so that you can buy your Chantecaille products from the Lookfantastic website. I'll see you all in my next one. I'm going out to dinner. Ciao for now.